Good morning.
Good morning.
How is it going?
Fine.
Just good? How is it going? Okay. Now let's play game. What does your name mean? For example, my name is Raymond. I'm responsible Raymond. What can you say about your name?
My name is Susanna. I'm the most My name is Nazike and I'm nice Nazike.
I'm active athlete.
I'm adorable Asli.
I'm elegant everyone.
Okay.
My name is Arman. I'm agreeable.
I'm Jacqueline.
Now guys, today's topic is poetry. What do you think? What is poetry?
It is related to a poem.
Right? It is. And do you know any poet? Is Muhtar Awais a poet or writer? Farizan Rasma, wonderful. And what is the difference between writer and poet?
Poet writing a poem.
Writes a poem. And what does writer do?
Writer writes a novel.
Stories, short stories.
Now, today's learning objects you can see here. Today we will talk, we will listen. At today's lesson, we will identify the theme. We will have new words and to use them as a basis for discussion. It means that today we will discuss about poetry. Demonstrate our knowledge for rhyming, using rhyming patterns in poems and the ability to recite a poem. Recite means to compose one. Right? What is the difference between writing and composing?
Between writing and composing, I guess writing is to write or copy something, and the composing is to create some music or a poem.
Robert Louis Stevenson, born in 13 November 1850 and died 3 December 1894. Was a Scottish novelist, poet, and a travel writer, most noted for writing Treasure Island, a strange case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, kidnapped and a child's garden of verses, born and educated in Edinburgh.
The cow. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might, to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray, all in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day.
The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives my cream without her might, to eat with apple tart.
From railway carriage, faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops at battle, I'll throw the meadows, the horses and the cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever gain in the wind of the air, big station whistle by.
Now, thank you very much. We've read two poems by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now, what do you think? What are they about? The first poem, The Cow. What is it about?
A poem, The Cow, is about a cow that the writer has seen.
A poem from a railway carriage is about how we see the world when we are looking out of train.
From our point of view, this poem is about life passing life.
Next task in pairs. Find rhyming patterns.
After finishing,
Finished?
B, A, it is A,
Words in the poem The Cow right my heart that they a straight day past grass shows flowers.
And this poem has 3 verses. Just one verse in this poem.
The structure of the first 2 lines is similar, and the lines 4 and 5 have similarity because of the repetition of on. In line 2, bridges is echoed by hedges.
As I told, now we will compose a poem. Using these steps, following these steps, you can compose your own poem. Are you ready? You will do this task in a group, in small groups.
This poem is about a school. I love studying at school because my school is cool. I will be here until 17, but I'm still 14. The rhyming words is they are school, cool, and safe.
the poem was very simple and you composed 2 verses. You have rhyming patterns in your poem. I consider you did good job.
Did you like composing poem? Really? Did you achieve? Did you compose? Yes. No, it is about poetry. Please read another kid.
The beauty of poetry is the beauty of
Now, do you agree with this proverb?
Yes.
It is a beauty. To compose poem, it is not easy thing. Now, let's return to our lesson objectives. Did you identify the theme? Okay. And did you demonstrate knowledge for rhyming patterns in poem?
Yes.
Yes, you demonstrate your knowledge. Also, did you compose poem in English?
Yes.
Yes. What do you think? Did we achieve these objectives completely or partly? Completely. Okay. Finish our lesson. Now, could you say me an important thing to remember?
An important thing to remember is a rhyming pattern. At today's lesson, I took part in a group work and composed.
I used some new words, found rhyming partners. I think I did good job.
Patterns. Okay, 2 things you want to know more. Nazirke? 2 more things you want to know more. Yeah?
Subject.
Yes. You should identify the subject. Next, and the 3 things you already know.
Rhyming partners.
Rhyming patterns, vocabulary, also sentence order. To compose poem, it is necessary to know. You should complete the vocabulary, also you should know sentence order. Okay? Thank you very much. The lesson is over.